Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to do a room tour because it has been requested a few times. I thought it'd be a fun video to do. I actually really enjoy watching these videos. I get a lot of inspiration from watching these videos, so I figured, why not? All I want to say is my room is pretty basic. There's not a whole lot to it. I like to keep it pretty simple. That's kind of my style. But anyways, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Alright, so when you walk into my room, this is what you see. Just a big overview of the room, like so. So yeah, I guess I will start off over here. So this is my mirror. It's actually my closet as well. My closet is inside of here, but it's very messy, so we're not going to show that today, unfortunately. Also, peep the outfit of the day. Very comfy cash right now. These are both two sliding doors. They both open like so, but yeah, like I said, not going to show inside of there because it is not very clean. Anyways, moving on, behind my door, there's another mirror. Whoa, would you look at that? And then I just have these lights that I bought from, where did I buy these? Walmart, I believe. This mirror is from Walmart. I've had it forever. Here we have my fireplace. Over here is where I keep all of my like filming stuff. So my lights, my tripod. The lights are from Amazon. The tripod is also from Amazon, I believe. So moving over here, this is where I keep like bathing suits, socks, underwear, pajamas, stuff like that. I got both of these from Winners, which is basically like a Marshalls or TJ Maxx if you don't know what that is. Over here I have a candle burning. This is just from Bath & Body Works. It's one of my favorites. Vanilla bean. I love it. It's literally almost done. And then I have this really ugly lamp that I hate. I am dying to get a new lamp. I hate that lamp so much. Inside my drawers are pretty messy, as you can see. Moving over here, this is like one of my favorite parts of my room. I love this so much. So over here I just keep some like stuff hung up that I think looks really pretty together. So I have my purse over there, if you can see. There's an overview. And then moving down, I love this part too. I just put a pair of shoes right here because I thought they looked really cute. This fur rug is from Walmart, and the, what is this called? Like a clothes rack is from Canadian Tire, I believe, which is a Canadian store. So if you're from like the US, I'm pretty sure you could get the same thing at like, oh gosh, like IKEA or something like that. But anyways, so I just have, I love the Gucci bags, so I just put one right there. I just love the way they look. And then these two like plant ball things I bought from Winners as well. I just have a fake rose right there because I thought it like completed the entire look over here. Moving on to my bed. Yes, I'm 20 years old and I still sleep with a stuffed elephant. I don't care. I love it. I just keep my computer on here. This is a really cool computer case from, I can't remember the name, but I will link their website in the description bar. It's really, really pretty. And then going on to my bed, this comforter is from Winners. I buy a lot of my stuff from there. Literally my entire bed is just Winners. And then we have my dog. Hi, baby. Up here, I actually just keep this little star because I think it looks so cute. I actually spray painted it gray because it was this kind of like weird coppery brown color before and it just did not really go with my room. And then looking up, I have my chandelier, my like mini chandelier. This is actually from Canadian Tire as well. This is where I keep all of my like jeans, pants, like sweatpants, shorts. It's very messy right now, so yeah. As you can see, it's a mess. Moving over, I have this really cute little picture from Walmart actually, and I just thought it was the cutest thing ever, so I just put it kind of right beside where I do my makeup every day, so. And then it's me again, hey. So please excuse my water bottle, I was thirsty. This set was actually brown before, and my dad actually painted it this really pretty gray. I love it so much. If you're wondering why there's doors behind here, that's actually part of my closet that I just don't ever use. So basically I keep all of my makeup in these first 3 sections. So there's face stuff in there, eye stuff in there, and then lips and brushes in there. The rest of these drawers are all kind of random. Like I just keep like hair stuff, and I keep like hats and scarves down there, kind of like phone accessories in there, and skincare down there. So yeah, that is my room. Like I said, very basic. There's not much to it. Eventually, I probably will show you like a closet tour, maybe even like a makeup collection tour, what? But anyways, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. The button is right down there. Hit your post notifications so you can be notified every single time that I upload. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.